Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add text to your photos using PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Do you note that I have already installed the application and selected a photo? In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to add a text. At the bottom, you will see a few buttons like this, namely AI removal, wire removal and others. Simply scroll to the right, and right there you can see a button like this called as text. Click on it right now. Once you do, you can add either a whole text as a paragraph or a text bubble. It's up to you. Select whichever one you want. And guys, that is it. Simply type your text right here. It's okay with me, so I'm gonna click on the tick button at the top right. Do note that you can also make it bold, italics and change its layout. Once everything's okay, simply click on the tick button right here. Now adjust your text. Do note that there are a lot of presets that you can select from. That is it guys. That is how you add text to your photos in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.